first of all, we want a graveyard because I have this upgrade called graveyard that gives us +1 gold every second. Then I have these perks. It's always pick this rusty crimson to sell, to have a like that. We just wait until 128 and let's sell them again to find another one to sell. Like this one, rusty game console, was 100 gold. Don't forget to upgrade. And let's just focus to our base. In this game we're gonna play as much as possible. We don't want anyone to become our neighbors, because it is gonna make our lives much more let's go. And after you upgrade this bed to level 4, we're gonna focus to the 3 consoles for fast lightning, and once we hit 128 we can get our first mine, the bronze mine, which will give us 8 gold per second. And just complete the 3 consoles. After you complete the 3 consoles, we're gonna focus on door. Don't forget to play some bronze mine. Our goal is to have 10 consoles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 repairs, and the other spaces will be filled with bronze mine, like this. And after the door, we're gonna upgrade our bed. Then we're gonna build some repair bench so we can this game. After the doors and the beds, we're gonna focus on the consoles. Complete the 10 consoles, and there. Three, four, five, six, seven. Last 2. Then the other spaces will be filled with bronze mine. It's like that. After you completed your base, upgrade the weapons so that you cannot be broken easily. Just upgrade it until this bubble shooter, bubble launcher. Then after that, scout, salvage any items. Anything that's salvageable, and upgrade your doors. Then as you can see, you cannot breach the door that easily because you have the weapons, and the door upgraded. And this repair bench will help you to sustain the damages given by the nightmares, the gem hunters. And upgrade it, then the next is the bed. Let's explore. Just like that, you're set. After that, just wait for the last upgrade for 1496 mine, the gem mine, and just focus on upgrading your weapons. Because the longer the game, the harder it will be to sustain the doors. And if you can also get another, sounds harsh, but this is the gameplay for the most efficiencies. Then if you had so many gold, then just upgrade your consoles for faster lighting generation. Just like that. The gem hunters can at level 6 can reach the door until this level. You can upgrade it also. So now no dream hunter can approach you. Oh, we're close to 1496. Just a tip, just sell the bronze mines and just put the diamond mine. Not upgrade it, it's just a waste of the resources. Now you can upgrade your bed until you bring your level 2s to maximize the gold. Maximize the gold generated by your bed. Let's upgrade the door. This is our bed. After that, upgrade your weapons. The Bad Hunter spawns other nightmares. So this run we must upgrade our weapons as soon as possible. Just upgrade your weapons. After you upgrade, you're fully upgraded your consoles. That, you see that they didn't last very long. Let's upgrade our consoles again till we reach another 1496 lightning or another diamond. More diamond mines, more gold. Just like that. Another cell. At this point, we're gonna win. Bye.